Under Construction by Jack Varnell. Under construction, sandy loam foundations supporting cornerstones constructed of the tyranny of self-will. They are less than noble, rarely reliable, and they're not to be trusted to weather any storm. The bridges of deception and the unfortunates that choose to live under them may not know that there's a choice. They are forced to speak in a code of misdirection and hidden meanings. Self-deceptive wolves' words dressed in sheep syntax. They often howl loudly about themselves from the darkness of their tunnel vision, parrot talking what they heard the ones who are living it say. Their feet are in clay because the opportunity, surroundings, and caring about another through action is overwhelming, too beautiful, too true, too harsh to live in. The keystone ego crumbles under the weight of delusion, a Leviathan hoax revealed. The reaction is shock and awe, and again, my house is under construction.